welcome back to another video. This time we will be dealing again with circle problems, but in a different manner. This time it involves the area. Okay, it's a very easy question, very easy question. Okay, it's only the it's only the thought process that matters over here and how you decode the information given. Okay, so it does not involve much of thing. It only involves the area of a semicircle and a circle. Okay. So what does the question say? The small circle shown besides is the largest circle that can be drawn inside the semicircle. So let's draw this figure over here as well. So this is the semicircle and this is the largest circle that can be made inside it. So what do they mean by the largest circle it can be made? So it means that it is touching both the diameter as well as the circumference of. So over here there is a contact point and over here. So you can see that it is basically the radius of the semicircle, right? Okay, so this is the first information that we have cracked, that diameter of the small circle is basically the radius of the semicircle. Okay, now what they have given is if the area of the small circle is 10 centimeters square. So now they have told us that this area which I am shading in blue is basically 10 square centimeters. What is the area of the shaded region inside the semicircle but outside the small circle? So basically they are asking the black shaded area. Okay, it's easy, and for your reference, this was IPM Mega Final 2012 question for ninth standard. So ninth standard basically in IPM is, it's always like they take exam of one academic year, previous academic year. So like if I am in 10th, then the paper I would be giving would be of ninth. If I'm in ninth, I would be giving of eighth, just like that. Okay. So you can take it as a 10th standard problem as well. So yeah. So now let's find out. So 10 centimeter square is basically pi r square. Okay, I would be denoting the small circle's radius as small r and semi circle's radius as capital R. Okay, so pi r square is 10 centimeters square. So over here we can take what is r. Basically it is 10 by pi and the square root of it. Okay, so this is r. Now we already know this information given right here. Diameter of the small circle is basically the radius of the semicircle. So now we can find out the radius r, which is equals to 2 times of r, which is 2 into root of 10 by pi centimeters. Okay, now we can find out the area of the semicircle, which is this whole thing in yellow, including the area of the small circle. Okay, so the area of the semicircle including the small circle would be pi capital R square by 2 because it's a semicircle. So which is pi into, now what if, so if I take the square of this part right here, what will it become? Yeah, it will become 4 into 10 by pi, because this is root and we are taking the square of the root, which gives us basically what is inside of the square root. Divide by 2. So pi gets cancelled, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. So this will lead us with 20 centimeter square, which involves, so now this 20 centimeter square is shaded part along with what is the area of small circle, right? So now to find the shaded part, what will I have to do? Subtract this thing from 20 centimeters. Okay, 20 centimeter square. So that will give us shaded part is equal to 20 minus small area, small circles area. So shaded part is 20 minus 10, which is already given to us over here and in the question as well. 20 minus 10, which is equals to 10 square centimeters. So this is our answer. Answer is option A. So that was it for today, guys, and hope you enjoyed this and you understood the concept. So if you have any more doubts, you can tell me in the comment section below. And this is the second video I have done consecutively. So thank you. Bye, guys.